The ducks on the table, at the corridor, and in the slicks are always annoying. This is because the vacuum cleaner is too big to be used.
How about we DIY a small vacuum cleaner?
What's a fantastic idea! Now, let us start. First, cut a plastic bottle into 3 parts. We only need the upper part and the bottom part of the bottle. Then, on a metal sheet, draw a circle and divide it into 8 sectors. After that, cut out the circle which is equal diameter to the bottle. Also, make a hole at the center of the circle. Bang the sectors equally to make the blacks of fan. Cut a few holes at the bottom of the bottle. Next, attach the motor at the bottom using hot glue. Then, attach the blacks to the motor shaft. Adhere 1 round of thick double tape on the wall of the bottle as the returner for the filter. After that, bang the wire into a circle. Stick the wire gauze on the circle and remove the remaining part. Next, fix the filter into the bottle. Then, join the flexible tube to a nozzle. The nozzle is cut from a H+ bottle. Lastly, join both parts of the bottle together and finalize it with a handle.
The working principle of a DC motor is force of current carrying coil in a magnetic field. When a current flows through the coil, a magnetic field is produced. Magnetic fields due to the currents and stator magnet combine to produce catapult field. Magnetic forces produce turning effect to rotate the coil.
The vacuum cleaner works on the concept of atmospheric pressure. When the vacuum cleaner is switched on, the fan sucks out the air inside the cleaner, causing the air pressure inside to be low. The high atmospheric pressure outside produces a difference in air pressure, forcing the air particles and dust particles into the cleaner.